Hey everybody, how's it going? It's me, Harry Kennedy, coming live from the HAK Innovation Lab. So we're in Dallas, Texas, and this is something that's new for you guys. If you guys are in Dallas, come and check us out, 506 South Fitzhugh. Had to make a couple hack boards before I went out and walked some of the streets, so I want to time how fast I can make one. Got all the components up here, and some solder, soldering iron, clean it off and get it ready. And yeah, so I'll start it, safety first, and 3, 2, 1, go. So again, we're here at the HAK Innovation Lab, and so I started this idea to figure out, okay, how do you have students build the Internet of Things, and how do you actually get students building projects that they can understand, learn more about what they're building, and not just have a fun idea, but really conceptualize why these ideas are coming together. You see a lot of tech companies that are popping up all over, and I think we can really help to understand what they're doing and how they're doing it with our teaching and our programming. So what we will do is that we'll actually host workshops on weekends, and we'll even host a couple of programmatic sessions where we actually have students building things like, what happens when you build a drone, or what are some key things that go into soldering. Also understanding what are some things that you need to do in programming and designing for programming. And so, for example of that is, if you have this big arm on a robotic, just a trash barrel mover, it's got to be able to function in some ways, but also be restricted enough such that it doesn't cause damage to people. And so, my goal is that throughout these workshops, we really dive into application, but also make sure students get an understanding of what engineers really do and what are some of the challenges they face. That way we can make sure the students are learning and they're better prepared for the college classes, and they're better prepared for some of the challenges they may face in their first and second years of college. Some background on me for you guys that haven't met me before. I actually am an engineer, graduated from Ohio State. Went to work at a couple of companies, so I worked at General Electric, General Motors, and Texas Instruments. And since then, I left to start this company. Really had a passion for teaching students, as well as a passion for just designing cool things and trying to really challenge myself with seeing what I can build and what I can create. And so I really want to, use that chance to bring both of those ideas together as a way to help students and prepare the next field of engineers. As we know, there's a lot of focus on tech and a lot of focus on innovation, but a lot of the challenge is still that we don't understand what's needed to help the students. And so what I want to do is that with these workshops, with these courses, we're focused on some of the critical learning that's needed, such that you're able to say, I want to work for Google because I have these project skills, or I understand what it looks like to build with soldering irons and to understand how to design circuits with that. And so hopefully you guys will come join me, come check out some of our classes. We are hosting classes not online, but hosting classes that you can look at online. Some of them include makerspaces, type ideas, 3D printing, and of course, building your very own hack board. So we're done with the time. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. HAK Innovation Lab, 506 South Fitzhugh in Dallas, Texas. See you later.